What makes the flavor of Hatch chili so unique is the area in which it's grown. It's just absolutely the best pepper you'll ever taste.
With the Hatch chili, we really want that nice, good size, good firm flesh, good green color, and a real good crunch. With Kroger partnering with these growers, they're able to actually pick, pack, and ship the same day, and within 2 to 3 days, we have that product in our stores ready for our consumers to purchase and eat.
The relationship we have with Kroger is very special for us because this obviously is our livelihood. This is something we depend on as a company, as a family, as a community, because it creates so many jobs, and that's extremely important, especially in a small town like Hatch, New Mexico. It's an honor to be able to pack for Kroger in their own brand. We have a great partnership, and there's a high level of trust to deliver a high quality product to the consumer.